Hello all. In this video, we'll study about chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Chemical properties of alcohols and phenols are divided into three major categories, out of which the first one is laboratory test for alcohols and phenols. Under this category of reaction, following tests are studied. First one, litmus test. Second, reaction with bases. Third, characteristic test of phenol. And fourth, distinguishing test for alcohols. All these reactions now we will study in detail. First, under laboratory test, the first test is litmus test. The aqueous solution of alcohols is neutral to litmus. That is, there is no color change to the litmus paper. Second, aqueous solution of phenol turns blue litmus red, which shows that phenolic is acidic in nature. Second, action of bases. Phenols have weak acidic strength. They do not show any reaction with sodium bicarbonate, whereas phenols soluble in aqueous NaOH forms sodium phenoxide and is generated with HCl. This is the reaction. Alcohols are very weak acids. Alcohols show no reaction with aqueous NaHCO3 and aqueous NaOH, but it reacts with strong alkali metals like sodium or potassium to release hydrogen gas. Reaction. This liberation of H2 gas is used to detect the presence of alcoholic group in an organic compound. Third test, characteristic test of phenol. Phenols react with neutral ferric chloride solution to give deep purple, violet or green coloration of ferric phenoxide. The reaction is. Now the deep color of the ferric phenoxide depends upon the type of phenol which is taken. Different phenols shows different coloration. For example, phenols show a reddish brown coloration, alpha-naphthol show purple coloration, catechol shows dark blue coloration, and resorcinol shows moss green color. So these are the color variation with different types of phenol. Alcohol do not give purple color in this test. So this is a characteristic test of phenol which can be used for distinguishing between two samples, one given as alcohol and other given as phenols. Fourth, distinguishing test for primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols using Lucas reagent. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols can be distinguished in laboratory using Lucas reagent test. Alcohols of different classes can be distinguished on the basis of their reaction rate with 1:1 mixture of HCl plus ZnCl2, that is Lucas reagent. Reaction. This is the reaction which shows how a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and a tertiary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent. primary alcohol, there is no reaction. Secondary alcohol, when reacts with Lucas reagent, form secondary butyl chloride, and tertiary butyl alcohol, when reacts with Lucas reagent, form tertiary butyl chloride. When these reactions are performed in laboratory, then it is observed that the insoluble alkyl chloride appears as white cloudy solution or as a separate layer. This image gives view for cloudiness appearing in tertiary alcohols. This is due to the formation of insoluble alkyl chloride. When tertiary alcohol is mixed with Lucas reagent, turbidity appears immediately. When secondary alcohol is mixed with Lucas reagent, the cloudiness or turbidity appears after 5 to 10 minutes. Whereas when a primary alcohol is mixed with Lucas reagent, there is no reaction at room temperature. This is a test which is used to distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol in lab. So in this video, we studied about the different laboratory tests of alcohols and phenols. See you all for next video. Till then, goodbye and stay tuned.